This is unbelievable.
No, I know.
This is
They
unbelievable.
walked in the house without a search warrant. What's your badge? What's your name?
Step back.
Hey, don't touch me. Stop harassing me. What's your badge number?
What's your name?
What's your badge number? Badge number. That says name.
3K12.
Okay.
Now what's your name?
I'm not making any statements.
You don't need
Yes,
one.
you do to
You might want to go to school and learn the law.
I already know the law.
No, you don't.
Okay, please don't talk to me. So get out of my way. Okay.
This is my case.
It's your
So I'll
case.
talk to you as much as I want.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna respond to you.
You don't have to respond
Okay.
to me, but I can talk to you.
Have a good day.
Welcome back to the Mr.Simple Police Channel. Today, we're diving into an intense story out of Park City, Utah, U.S. A 15-year-old boy who knows the law like the back of his hand got into a heated argument with police. Not stopping there, the boy filed a lawsuit against the police, demanding over $1 million in compensation, and even got 2 officers fired. You won't want to miss this. In the mid-afternoon of September 29th, 2019, several local police officers arrived at Michael's house in response to a call about a neighborhood dispute. Earlier, Michael's son Jack had been riding a gas-powered bicycle around a neighbor's house. The neighbor felt uncomfortable, yelled at him, and threatened to hit him if he didn't stop. This escalated into a conflict between Jack's father, Michael, and the neighbor. At that moment, another unrelated neighbor witnessed the situation and immediately called 911, reporting that Michael had a weapon tucked in the back of his pants. As a result, multiple police officers showed up at Michael's house.
Can I help you?
Hello, are you, Michael?
Hi. Can I help you with something?
Yeah, we're here about a...
And your name?
Officer Rodriguez.
First name?
Jim.
Jim. How are you, Jim?
Can
And
I-
your name? Please.
So,
Sorry. Badge number?
What's that?
Badge number,
Okay.
please.
let's go ahead and talk about the incident that you had out here a few minutes ago.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Step down here for me.
No, thanks.
Yeah, no. Hey!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Michael refused to speak with the police and went back into his house. At this point, the police had no right to forcefully enter someone's home without a search warrant. This right is protected by the 4th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which guarantees that individuals are protected from unreasonable searches and seizures in their homes, vehicles, and personal property.
Safe.
Okay, come
I'm
on
not coming outside.
Can we talk right here?
Sure we can. Jack! Come here, record this.
Come on outside.
Record this.
Come outside.
Jack, record this.
And it seems like the police realized their mistake. They asked if they could speak with Michael outside. Even though Michael said, "Sure, we can," they still restrained him and forced him outside right from within his own home, without any search or arrest warrant. At that moment, Michael's son Jack took out his phone and started recording as 2 police officers wrestled with and handcuffed Michael to drag him outside. They even threatened to use a taser if Michael didn't comply with their orders.
Okay, let me cooperate.
I am cooperating. You're violating my 4th Amendment rights.
No, stop.
Outside.
You're violating my 4th Amendment
Hey,
rights.
you guys cannot come in here without a
Get
search
the
warrant.
phone. Get the
Going to be
phone.
I'm
taped.
videoing.
Get the
Don't
phone.
cooperate.
I'm cooperating.
We're
Just
finding you
don't,
to be
I'm not
taped.
fighting you.
We're finding you
I'm
to
not
be taped.
fighting you.
Outside now.
Walk outside so we can talk.
Okay. Enough. I didn't do anything.
From what I've learned, Michael is a Park City Council candidate and also a lawyer. His most recent success in court was winning a federal case, earning him $1.27 million. Michael repeatedly insisted that the officers had violated the 4th Amendment of the Constitution.
No, don't take his phone.
No.
Don't take his phone. Don't take his phone.
back.
I'm good. I've chilled the whole time. I haven't done anything.
Relax.
I haven't resisted.
Officers.
I'm trying to just talk to you.
I am behind my back. This is unbelievable.
No, I know.
This is
They
unbelievable.
walked in the house without a search warrant.
This is unbelievable.
Okay.
It's all on film. Get my camera.
It's on my phone too.
It's on
now.
my phone. The whole thing is on film. The whole thing is on film. Jack, follow me and record.
Right this way.
Follow me and record.
Give us space.
I'm not.
Give us space.
Okay.
No, Jack,
What's
record
your
the whole
space?
thing.
What's your space?
Jack, record the whole thing. Oh, you're recording.
Give us space.
Does this look like enough space?
My camera fell somewhere back there.
What are we doing? You don't twist the handcuffs. You're injuring me. I'm not resisting. You saw that. You saw the whole thing, and it's all been recorded.
It is.
I didn't resist.
I know.
I didn't do it. You know. See, he acknowledged that I didn't resist, Jack.
Yeah, I have it on video.
I didn't resist.
Well, we asked you to stop, right?
I didn't do anything against your instructions. This guy came into my house without a warrant, without any probable cause.
Let me just talk for a second.
I said, I don't know anything, and he tackled me in my house.
He told you to stop, right?
He did not say anything of the sort.
Officer,
it's
I
all on
heard the
video.
whole thing, and it's on video, so-
It's all
I
on
know,
video.
it is.
It's all on video.
It is.
Dude,
Jack wanted to say a few words to help his dad, but he was interrupted multiple times by the police.
Officer.
Just mean you, right?
Okay, yeah, I'm fine. Shh.
No.
No, he can
No.
talk. He can talk.
No.
I can
not
talk
what I'm
because
trying
I
to
was
do.
in the
You're gonna arrest
situation.
him?
No, I'm not gonna arrest you.
Okay, then calm down. Then just what? What?
Well, you want
can
me to talk to you?
He recorded the whole thing. This guy is out of
listen to me.
control.
Okay.
What's your badge? What's your name?
Step back.
I'm not.
Look, he
I'm
just
on my
touched me. You
property.
can record all you want, but
Another
you're
one,
stepping back
another
right
one.
now.
This guy,
Back.
Hey, don't
Back.
touch me. Stop harassing me.
I'm trying to talk to you.
We're just trying to.
I'm videoing this. You please get out of my personal space.
No.
Yes.
You're not gonna
Get out
interfere
of my
with what we're
personal
doing.
space. This is my property. Please
You're
get
not
out of my
gonna interfere with an arrest.
I'm chill. I've been chill.
You can record all you want, but you're not gonna get close to what they're
I'm
doing.
on my property. Move out of my personal space.
I'm gonna stand right
This is
here.
my personal square. Please move.
I'm gonna stand right here.
Please move. You're in my personal space.
No.
What's your name?
Yeah, I do not need to give you that.
Yeah, you do.
For what reason?
Jack, don't do
Because
it.
you're
I
involved
know.
in this.
I'm involved with this. Yes, but this guy threatened me and called the cops on you. And what's your badge number?
What's your name?
What's your badge number? Badge number. That says name.
3K12.
Okay.
Now, what's your name?
I'm not making any statements.
You're not making any statements?
Nope.
Okay, I have the right to identify you. You understand that, right?
Then you can search up my face and you can search up my record.
Okay.
Despite being surrounded by multiple armed police officers, Jack remained remarkably calm. One officer tried to intimidate him in order to extract his identity. In this situation, even an adult might have buckled under the pressure, but Jack simply and firmly refused to provide any information, citing his legal rights.
Step back. Do not step forward. What did I
Okay,
just
then
tell you?
please get out of my space.
I do not have
Okay,
to. You
then
cannot interfere with what we're doing.
I'm not interfering when I'm on my property.
Don't step towards the car.
I'm not. Then
you
move out of
did
my
step
way.
towards the car. I told
Okay.
you not to.
What's your name?
Officer Ware.
Okay, and what's your name?
Where do we went over this? Officer Proctor.
Okay, I didn't go over it. Don't.
After noticing several officers entering his home, Jack immediately followed them.
You can't. Hey!
Stay back.
I'm going in my house.
Stay back.
I'm going in.
If you try and come past me, you're gonna go on the ground face first. Do you understand
Okay,
me?
and then I'm gonna file a complaint against
Go get
you.
your camera.
Go grab your camera. Yes, I'm allowing you to do that, but you cannot walk in my house.
There you go.
Okay, bye. I have 3 cops on me, and I'm 15 years old. Cause you guys intruded my house.
Because your attitude.
So you were the one driving up and down the street on the motorcycle?
I was on my gas bicycle.
Okay, that's a gas-powered vehicle. You have to have a driver's license.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
Not when it's 50cc and you have a permit for it.
As Jack explained, riding a 50cc gas-powered bicycle was not against the law, so the police didn't pursue it further. Additionally, the gun his father owned was legally purchased. Under Utah state law, any adult aged 21 or older can carry a handgun openly or concealed without a permit, as long as they don't use it to threaten others. Since Michael didn't brandish the weapon, there was no issue. At this point, the police began to realize they were in a difficult situation and needed to find a reasonable justification for their unauthorized entry onto Michael's private property.
But I don't think there's any reason to try writing a warrant to get in the house.
No.
We'll identify him through him. I'll just do TLO or whatever.
Okay.
And then the friend, I've got his information. Their statements, I couldn't care less because they're not
No.
cooperative.
I'll just refer it to the juvenile courts. If they want to screen it for charges, great. And if they
For
don't,
rallying the motorcycles or whatever.
yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I doubt that goes anywhere, but, you know. To be honest, all I would have done is talk to everybody, and it's a he said, she said. I would have written it up and said, here's the report.
That works?
And then he does this garbage. So I'm going to arrest him for failure to obey a lawful command, resisting, disorderly.
Yeah, disorders. That's good because it got her attention too.
Yep.
Alright. Well, let's bring him to the end of the street. We'll keep these 2 here, and then I'll question him, and then medical can check him out.
Okay.
In the end, Michael was arrested and charged with offenses including failing to comply and resisting
The front door's
arrest,
locked,
as
everything's
well as
locked, so
disorderly
I have the
conduct.
key.
However, 4 days after the incident, the state prosecutor declined to press charges against Michael and instead referred the case to a lower court. This indicated that the prosecutor disagreed with the actions of the police. An internal investigation by the Park City Police revealed that Officer Jim had threatened a minor, violating 5 department policies, and Sergeant Thor violated 3 department policies. As a result, the entire Park City Police force was required to undergo legal training. Both Jim and Thor were mandated to attend the training, but failed to complete it. leading to their eventual dismissal. 2 years later, Michael filed a lawsuit on behalf of his family against the local government and the Park City Police Department. He claimed that both of his sons were suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder following the incident, and that they were now terrified whenever they saw police officers. Michael demanded both a written and verbal apology from the authorities, as well as $1 million in compensation. However, the charges against Michael remain pending, and his lawsuit was put on hold in August 2024. As for Michael's son Jack, after turning 18, he pursued a law degree at the University of Arizona with the goal of defending people whose rights have been violated. He has shared that his dream is to become a lawyer and fight for justice for those who have been treated unfairly. What's your opinion on this incident? Let me know in the comments. I'm Mr. Simple Police. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Yes, but this guy threatened me and called the cops on you. And what's your badge number?
What's your name?
What's your badge number? Badge number. That says name.
3K12.
Okay.
Now what's your name?
I'm not making any statements.
You don't need
Yes,
one.
you do to
You might want to go to
someone's house.
school and learn the law.
I already
before you
know
wanna
the
try-
law.
No, you don't.
Okay, please don't talk to me.
Okay.
So get out of my way. Okay,
This is my case.
it's your
So I'll
case.
talk to you as much as I want.
Okay, well I'm not gonna respond to you.
You don't have to respond
Okay.
to me, but I can talk to you.
Have a good day.